welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'll be making pumpkin rice. I already have my pumpkin here that is diced in small pieces. You can cut your pumpkin whatever way you want. So it's already clean. So I'm just going to show you what else I'll be using in my pumpkin rice. And I have some fresh vegetables here that I'll be using as well. I have a piece of onion there. I have scallion. I have bell pepper there, just a little piece. And I have thyme and I have garlic. I love a lot of garlic. And I have some pimento seed and I have a Scotch bonnet pepper there. So this will give it some nice flavor, right? I also have a Grace coconut powder that I'll be using. You can use whatever milk you want. Your natural coconut, you can use the canned one or you can use the powder one. And I have some Maggi all-purpose season that I'll use just a little bit. And of course, just a little salt. Just a little bit, not too much salt for me. You can go ahead and put as much salt that you want. And then I have butter here. But I always use unsalted butter, but whichever butter is fine. Whatever butter you choose to use, all right? So whenever I'm making my pumpkin rice, with my coconut milk, I always go ahead and use some warm water to mix that out. I love using warm water to mix up my coconut milk. With the canned one, you can just go ahead and just pour it into the hot water, all right? So here, guys, I have my pot with 4 cups of water. So I'm just gonna add my coconut milk in there. So this is my coconut milk that I've mixed out. We're just gonna pour that in. And we're gonna allow that to boil for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna add our pumpkin inside. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button. If it's red, you're gonna turn it into gray. All right, guys, and please remember to share my video with your friends and family. All right, so we leave that for 10 minutes, as I said, to boil, and then we'll be right back to add our pumpkin in. Okay guys, now that my coconut milk is boiled for 10 minutes, I'm just gonna add my garlic in, like that. And I'm also gonna add all my pumpkin in for it to boil. All right? So I will come back to check it, to see if it's cooked. And then I'll show you the next process, all right? So I'm just gonna give that just a little stir like that. And then I'm gonna cover the pot and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go in and check. Wow, looking lovely. Look how yellow that looks. All right, so I'm just gonna use my spoon like that. So any pumpkin that's there, I'm just gonna use a spoon to just crush it out, all right? So that's what you're going to do. Look how yellow that is. Look at that, guys. Nice. It's beautiful. Try to leave it to boil for it to cook properly. So guys, look at this. So that's what you're looking for. So to leave it to boil for like 10 minutes, it becomes like this. Yeah? And that's what you want. You see that water is very of a nice color. You cannot see it because of the steam, but it really has a nice yellow color. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my first season in. So there goes my onion. I'm going to add it in there. My scallion, I'm going to add it in there. My thyme, my pimento seeds. I'm also gonna add my bell pepper there and my Scotch bonnet pepper in it. Look at that, guys. Look how lovely that look. Beautiful. And I'm gonna add just a little salt, like half teaspoon of salt. There. but you can go ahead and add a little more if you want. I don't have a lot of salt, just a little bit. So that's fine for me. And then we're going to mix out everything like that. And then I'm going to add a little Maggi seasoning there with my butter. So guys, this is 4.5 cups of water. And I'm going to use 4 cups of rice. So 4.5 cups to 4 cups of rice. So I'm using jasmine rice. You can use whatever rice that you want to use. Alright? And I like my rice shelly, very shelly. So yeah. And it smells really lovely, people. Really lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. So if some of the pumpkin is not mashed out, you can just use your spoon and just do so. Alright? Okay guys, so I'm going to use just a little less than 1 teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. Just a little less than that. So there we go. And I'm going to use less than half stick of butter there. And we're going to leave that to boil for 5 minutes. And then we add the rice. Alright? Look how lovely this looks, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Very lovely. Nice color. Love it. This is beautiful. Look at that, guys. Lovely. Sorry about that. You can also shred your carrot. You can also shred your pumpkin if you want. But as I said, I like to cut it in that, dice it in that pieces, and then I add it to the pot, and then use my spoon to just crush whatever is not crushed out. But if you boil it, it will get soft, and it eventually looks like this. All right. So we're just going to give that a cover. Okay, guys. So I'm just going to use 4 cups of rice. Because remember, we're using 4.5 cups of water. Then we're just going to wash that. Alright, so that's my 4 cups of rice. Alright guys, please go ahead and hit that like button, guys. Remember to share my video to your friends and family. Alright, so I'm just going to wash your rice. And I'll wash my rice for 4 times. Yes guys. You feel that water is creamy, you don't want that color. You want it to be nice and clear. Alright? So I wash it for 4 times. There. Alright, so you use your hand to drain the water off for whatever rice fall out of the basin. You keep it in your hand like that, and then we place it back there, and then we wash again. I'm not going to show you the 4 times, guys, but it's 4 times, alright? Okay, guys, so now I'm going to add my rice in. I'm just going to remove that pepper because I don't want it to burst in there. And then I'm going to add my rice that is already washed. So we're just going to add everything in. And then we're going to turn our stove on low and allow it to steam. Alright? So I need everything. Just going to use my hand to just get everything into the pot. Like that. And thank you guys so much for your support. I really love and appreciate you all. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Alright, family? Alright. And you also try this pumpkin rice. It's really delicious. And then I'm just going to give it a stir like that. Lovely. And then we're going to cover, alright? Beautiful.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I'm going to check on my rice. Wow, look at that, people. It's still steaming. There you go. My rice is finished. Beautifully done. Lovely, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you'd have your pumpkin rice with. Look how lovely this look. Beautifully done. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.